This is a toy fan. When we apply a small force on the handle, it starts working. Now we will see the working principle. This is the blades of the fan. It's made up of plastic. It's coupled with a shaft. This unit is mounted on a mounting plate. This is the handle of the fan. It is attached with a spring. This spring will restore the position of the handle when we release the force. This is the first gear. This gear gets rotated by the action of the handle. This is the second gear. It will slide and rotate by the action of the handle through the first gear. This is the third gear. When the second gear slides and engages this gear, it starts rotating. This is the fourth and last gear. It's directly meshed with gear 3. The blade and shaft is also coupled with this gear. Applying a small force on the handle, the fourth gear will rotate at higher speed because of the gear ratio. As a result, the blades also rotates. This is how a toy fan works. Thank you for watching.